party people? This is going on right now.
Helping textbooks get updated and helping teachers understand that.
But I don't know if
The other thing is the way when we want to tighten policy.
My brain can handle it because I've just watched so much shit show over the years. So I'm gonna look at does this drill or not. All right. So here's your channel. You can draw it out from there. That's a 15-minute SPX channel. Now the gap has not filled yet. What gap do you mean, Grandpa? You gotta go here. This gap has not filled yet. Will it fill? Yes. When? Very soon. Does that mean we can't go up? No. I would love for PCE to come in line or, something and just get a proper relief bounce and not make it too easy for the bears. There's several targets. There's the 9 MA daily. There's the gap. There's the gap fill, and obviously there's no chance in hell that we get over this. All right. Now, can this happen? Yes, we can have a cool PCE that does this. All right. But are we gonna go beyond here? I'd say before we fill this gap. No, I don't think so. So again, my window of reversal starts next week, and it all depends on the 10-year yield and the government shutdown if a gap fill will suffice or if we go downtown. Okay. And by downtown, do I think we fill this gap this year? No. What about this little one? No. This max, I think this red line here, this is a Berlin Wall here, all of May and April. Okay. So that's where we're at. So what does that mean for tomorrow? For tomorrow, now you got a setup here where you got a double top with a lower high. You need a gap up above this and a hold. Okay, that means you want to create a gap from here to here for the bullish case, and first price target being right there. Okay, and then either chop all day with a pump up end of day, very possible. And in that case, the way to play this scenario would be to have some light swings. You sell here, wait for it to chop up, and then try something where here at the end. Okay, so that's one scenario. The other scenario is that this is indeed a double top and we absolutely crater tomorrow. Remains to be seen. As of right now, Powell hasn't moved after our SPY by an inch. Okay? Now, what did we do today? Well, we had some great trades. Let me run it through for you. We had Costco out the gate. I had said in yesterday's video, what did I do now? No, I didn't want to drag that window over here. Hold on, bear with me. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. All right. So I had said usually Costco has day 2. This could have given you 100 something percent. We played that. Sold. Had some lottos. Didn't do much. However, this is very bullish. This is basing. Okay, you want basing if you want to go higher. That does not mean that we're gonna go higher, but we could. Okay, if the market has a absolute full moon party tomorrow, it is completely possible. Didn't play meta. Had this whole market move the same. I'm not in LMT. Nike had a pop after hours on earnings. Microsoft had a good day. I mean, everything pretty much did the same. If you were an early bull, coin was a great call. Called that out too. Around here, I believe. Yeah. So if you caught that, that was pretty good. Nvidia caught the move on Nvidia today from here all the way to here. That was a face ripper and I like it, and closing above 431. If the market wants to rip, price target is right there, and if it's later in the day, maybe even 440. Okay, Nvidia can pull that stuff. We've played it over and over again. Usually, as you can see on the chart, it'll do it early, it'll do it early. Here's a late day bloomer. Today was kind of early. Okay, Carvana had some major Ricky Wikis and then a good day. Nothing crazy though for Carvana. Tesla had a really good day. Okay, what's bearish? That we're freaking 170. What's bullish? That we could reach these levels. So tomorrow, if it decides to skip over this fair value gap and go, we can see 175. What would that be based upon? Would it be because people overnight get excited about freaking carbon neutral Apple Watches? No. That would mean that the PPT has decided to pump their darling Apple. It has been severely beat down as of late. Like, come on. But it's the first time since, you know, what, Monday, that we actually got a 9 cross and hold above the 21. So that's something. Okay, now to the important stuff. I don't know what Powell's saying, if he's saying anything at all. Here, that is our trend line, and I don't care if it's by mosquito size, but that little shit is underneath there. So that is great. That is fantastic. And it looks like it wants to go lower, and our beloved market risk actually, I don't know where I hid that. Our beloved market risk also came down today. So that's good. That's good news here, because I haven't heard anything from Mitch and Chucky today. But market risk was up at like 307 and came down to 301. Okay, VIX obviously got beaten, and I would love for it to not only fill this fair value gap here, but maybe lose that level. That would be awesome, and go down to here. So I'll be on the lookout. Clearly in a downtrend. VIX famous for just spiking up, so keep that in mind. Dixie 2 coming down a little bit here today, actually finished under the 89, which is awesome. Okay, as far as this chart here, let's zoom in. Clearly we got that trend line tap yesterday, and now we put in a green candle. There's plenty of room for all of these indicators to go, and I would like to go. Okay, and then reject, and then put in a double bottom and really go. Oil today sold off a little bit. I mean, still hot commodity. Bitcoin had a epic candle. So could today have been this? Sometimes Bitcoin will front run the market, and I hope that is indeed the case here. I will be watching US 500 all night. As of right now, Powell has not knifed this. If you pull up US 500 tonight, watch this trend line for a reject here. Above, great. Above this trend line here, even better. Okay, so I'm not calling this a bear fest yet, even though they tried with some puts there at the end. This is nothing major. Dark pool, nothing major. That's a glitch. Hold on. there we go. It's some small buys, nothing major. Again, you got to put this into perspective. Is that true? I hope so. Let me reload. Could be a glitch. Probably is a glitch. Yoo-hoo. Nice little reversal. KRE, nothing special, but glad that it's holding above 41. This is probably not updated yet. Nice little reversal, nice curl. I'd like to see a major rally tomorrow, at least up to this level here, 4334. If you can get through that, it has so much room to run all the way to the gap, and that would be absolutely epic, wouldn't it? At that point, I would wait next week to see if it's gonna fill the gap, which I doubt. So shorts on here or here for that retest. All right, guys, that's it for today. Love yourself, love your family, and have a great day.